Hi there you guys, welcome back to a new day, a new vlog. Today I have become a solo traveler because I am going to Tezpur which is just like 5 hours distance from here. I will be traveling alone. Now I know that for Rahul, he feels like this is a very bad idea. He thinks that I'll call him crying, but that's not gonna happen. I have also like backpacked like a backpacker. I just have one bag, okay? This is the only bag I have and I'm going for 3 days. So I'm very proud of myself because otherwise I have at least 2 bags for 3 days, okay? A big one and then another small one like this. I'm feeling good about it. Also, I have like this little pouch here to carry the essentials, like my GoPro will be going here. He's not happy about it. That's why he insisted on like dropping me to the bus. Oh, another thing, this is like after 6 years I'll be traveling in a bus. This is not a flex, but I had my scooty after I passed out my HS, so I stopped traveling in bus from that time. Uske pehle I used to. तुम बस जल रहे हो because I'm not taking you along, okay? What? Chips नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. Chips ना नहीं चाहिए, जगह नहीं है. Travel companion. Omelette lage nike puna? Na lage. Eta kore dibo. Okay. So this is what my travel buddy ordered for me. She is the person who sits next to me in the bus, and we are still yet to ask her name though. We will do that later, but first let's have tea and roti. Adila here is paying for my food bill also because I left my money in the bus. देखो कितने अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हैं ट्रैवलिंग से भी. कौन कहाँ कैसे मिल जाते पता नहीं चलता है. ट्रू. Okay, I skipped the main road that I'm supposed to come through. Apparently Porua Chariali udhar reh gaya and nobody stepped out, which is why I did not realize. So I happened to come like one stoppage ahead and now we are stopping at this place called Mission Chariali. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my vehicle now, which is also a very interesting story. Apparently one of the followers of my blog, Darshana ji, she wanted to come and drop me at Tezpur University, which was very sweet of her. I did not want to take such a big help, but she wanted to do that. So now I'm about to meet her. She'll come and pick me and drop me there. I'm fully backpacking technically and it's evening, so yeah, let's hope I reach safely. Okay, so this is Darshana ji. Thank you so much for picking me up. ऐसे randomly इन्होंने मुझे बोला she wants to drop me to. Of course, she's such a sweet girl. I appreciate her work so much, and I was really concerned about her. And she literally came to pick me in a huge ass Audi, which is like gorgeous, and I'm like, oh, wow, seriously. We have reached Tezpur University. दिखाओ अपना घटिया यूनिवर्सिटी. I'm getting the vibes of being a college student. जहाँ पे कॉलेज के गप्पे चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. All TU people have cycles.
Yes, they do. I learned how to ride a cycle here.
Oh yeah, she did not know how to ride one. यहाँ पे आने के बाद वो बोलते हैं ना, ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे आते हैं. ऊंट पहाड़.
Then we have a tailoring shop, a beauty parlor.
Okay. So that is the vehicle we are using to go to Arunachal, जैसे उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है obviously. And this is the beautiful Tezpur University. This is my point of attraction. आज का vlog यहीं से चालू करते हैं. Bless your eyes. So beautiful, guys. Look at this. It is the biggest central university in Northeast. Look at these guys gloating. चेहरा देखो इन लोगों का. My God.
Only central university with a swimming pool.
With a swimming
in India.
That you guys haven't used.
And a huge one.
Oh my goodness. driver bhaiya is giving us some sightseeing trip and he suggested us to stop here.
Check that place out.
Which one? शहर में ये हवा नहीं मिलती. ये खुला आसमान. There were quite a few stairs, but look at the view.
Oh my god, it's so windy.
Oh wow! Oh God! बोमडिला के बाद जो रास्ता है दिरांग जाने के लिए, अभी मेरा सर घूम रहा है.
I'm done sitting in the middle. I'm not. मेरा पीठ घूम गया है.
I don't even have motion sickness and I just had to get out of the car. My God.
Shiyoshi, please. Okay. Oh God. Stop, it's okay. Ayush will.
Anybody who has like a little bit of sickness will probably puke in this route. Most sure. Most plan is to reach Dirang and on the way हम लोग थोड़ा sightseeing करके जाएंगे. वो हमारे driver भैया का department है. He knows where to take us all. We are staying at this very cute Dirang boutique cottage for the night. Tomorrow morning we'll come back though. Like not morning. दिन भर घूमेंगे थोड़ा इधर उधर. Then we'll come back. And this is the first time I don't have clothes, guys. So you're gonna watch me in this outfit only. I haven't bought clothes. I'm backpacking, okay? This is the little hotel we have stopped to eat at Dirang. So apparently हमारा resort यहाँ से 3 किलोमीटर दूरी में ही है, पर we wanna go to like a monastery or something a little later. So let's see if that happens. Yeah, let's go in. Like this is insanely gorgeous. It's gonna be evening now, so it's gonna get dark. Chunkulu, hello. I'm guessing this place looks even prettier in the day. हम लोग थोड़े शाम को आए हैं. We still have light, so we're thankful about that. It's so beautiful. Wait, I'll show you guys. My God, this is pretty. Oh man, हम लोग बाहर में ऐसी फोटो खिंचवा रहे थे. असली चीजें तो इधर है ना? You read about it. You are the one who's supposed to know what wish.
I am not sure. People are going to bash me if I'm wrong, right?
Do people wish on these things and then roll them?
People are supposed to like make a wish and then they're supposed to like roll it. I am not sure.
Okay.
This is going on YouTube. I'm gonna get bashed so bad.
But I'll still wish. Even if it's Code বান্ধিব লাগে flag to?
Flag মানে তুমি জটো বান্ধিব পাৰা.
মানে এটো যে রোল কৰে, এটো মানে wish এটা কৰি কিনে রোল নকৰে জানো?
হেটো মানে আফটাৰ পূজাৰ পিছত আমি যেনেকে ঘণ্টি নবজাও এনেকে টাইপৰ হেটো রোল কৰে.
See, I'm not completely wrong.
Not completely, but অল্প বিদ্যা ভয়ঙ্কর বুলি যে কয়. Half knowledge is dangerous. Guys, I'm like sitting at this insane place right now जहाँ से view इतना खतरनाक है ना. Oh my goodness, like let me show you a turn around, okay? There is the little town area that's visible from there, and I also got stung by a little leaf right now, but I'm not really bothered because it's so beautiful right here. And it's like something we were discussing just some time back, me and my friends, that how this place, like Northeast in general, is not being promoted the way it should be promoted, okay? We are not even going to Tawang. जितना रास्ता हमको मिला है अभी तक, just that is so gorgeous. This beauty is not being highlighted, and I know that a lot of you guys are going to agree with me on this. You don't need to filter anything because it's already so beautiful, right? I'm saying, you know, just drop 20 influencers pan-India, like travel influencers or so, in Northeast, and just watch what kind of bomb content you get. That's what I'm saying. We don't need polished ads. Every picture out here like tells a certain story which I am not intelligent enough to understand. Krishna, ek eta toy sa?
We'll leave this. Hey, here's a toy. Here's my toy.
So that's our last destination for today. And मेरे पास बैटरी भी 9% ही है. So अच्छा, जाते वक्त तो हम ऐसे चले जाएंगे because it goes like this downhill. आते वक्त का क्या होगा? आते टाइम फटेगी. ओके, तो हमारा आज का लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन जो था, तो चूँकि हॉट स्प्रिंग दिरांग है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इवन आवर ड्राइवर अंकल सेंट अस हियर बिकॉज इट्स नथिंग स्पेशल. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्विमिंग पूल टाइप का है जो अपेरेंटली इज लाइक हॉट एंड ऑल दैट, सो दैट्स ग्रेट इफ यू वांट दैट. All right, but other than that, there were too many stairs, and I don't think it's worth it.
And also I fell.
And also you fell.
In a place where she was not supposed to fall.
Oh God.
People are going to fall.
Okay, so he's gonna touch and see if it's actually like hot or not.
This is cold, right?
That's cold or what?
অকমান গৰম আছে.
অকমান গৰম. অসমৰ পানীৰ নিচিনা. আচ্ছা. हाँ, you test and try and see. She's gonna tell us whether it's actually hot spring or not. Verdict.
It's a lukewarm spring.
It's lukewarm spring.
It's all right.
Okay.
It's all right. I fell. I, stretched my knee for this.
For that, yeah.
And also a very great amount of hiking.
Hiking. Oh, we are left to do that. I'm not going to show them that. So
we show them the after effects of the
hiking. I doubt it. But yeah, guys, it was a long video, I know. So let's just end it here. क्योंकि अभी शाम हो चुकी है. There's no light also. So it's gonna be annoying also. Yeah, that was it for today, you guys. Thank you for joining in. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.